everybody to my YouTube channel Animals and Pets with Partho. Today I am going to introduce you to one personality from the veterinary world, Dr. Kumar. Dr. Kumar, who is an established veterinarian in the capital of Jharkhand, Ranchi, and has of late made a state-of-the-art veterinary clinic, surgery and a grooming parlor. He is going to explain to you and show you his facilities in Ranchi. He has got a wide range of equipments, dog medicines, dog accessories, and of course all the facilities that go with it. He has trainers, handlers, he organizes dog shows, he arranges for registering your pets, pedigree with, he's affiliated to some national organizations. And so be with him and listen to what he has to say.
Good evening, pet parents. This is Dr. A. Kumar, and I'd like to introduce Indian Kennel League, which is an independent canine governing body for India. IKL is affiliated to ICBD, which is Italian Canine Breed Dogs, which look after the registration of pups, adult dogs, dog show, and all related activities in whole of the Europe. This has affiliation to WDF, that is World Dog Federation. I'd like to introduce Dr. Kumar's Dog Clinic, which will be the nodal body representing Indian Kennel League in the state of Jharkhand, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. We like to see that all the breeds, pure breed and Indian breeds which are recognized by the kennel clubs, that their pups and the adults are registered with IKL, and which will help us to hold a show in near future. The other part which I'd like to tell you, that Dr. Kumar's Dog World at Ranchi has almost all the facilities of a first class veterinary clinic which a pet parent would like to have. We have a full automated grooming parlor with us, a full automated blood hematologysis unit. We have surgical unit with us. We also deal in all kinds of accessories and dog foods which is of the best quality, and we provide dog training services which you can avail at your home. The trainer goes to your home, trains the dog for 5 days in a week, gives rest to your pet for 2 days on Sundays and Saturdays, and again resumes the training from Monday to Friday. A good well-trained dog is something like a well-educated person who responds in a proper and logical manner to the commands of the pet owner. If the bond between pet owner and the pet dog is good, you will be able to enjoy your dog's full potential. The other aspect which I'd like to inform you that through Indian Kennel League, we will be in future arranging a huge breed specific and all breed show at Ranchi, in which any of the registered dog, whether it's a pup or an adult male or a female, whether trained or untrained, will be able to take part, and in the final process we'll be having best of breed show also. This will lead to promotion of genuine quality of dogs of different breeds, and we like to have interaction with pet parents. With that, we'll see that there is a good bonding between the pet parent and the pet, and they are able to enjoy pet keeping. Thank you. I would also like to thank Animal and Pet with Partha at Kolkata for providing this opportunity of joining with IKL to Dr. Kumar's Dog World, Ranchi. I would also like to request all the pet parents to promote and advertise this YouTube channel by the name of Animals and Pet with Partha, which is the official partner of Dr. Kumar's Dog World, Ranchi, so that we are in a position to provide you the latest information in future to all the pet parents. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and my friends from the Indian Dog Fraternity. As you know that we have already gone ahead and officially announced our first independent canine governing body of India, the Indian Kennel League, which would be catering to all the pure breed dog activities and the dog game here in India, be it the registration of dogs, registration of imported dogs, litter registration, issuing international pedigree certificates in association with the WDF, which is the World Science Canine Federation, and ICBD, which is the Italian Canine Breed Dog Club, with which we are officially now affiliated member and a permanent member of the World Dog Federation. It gives me immense pleasure to announce that this setup is the first independent state-of-art center which has been launched in Ranchi by Dr. A. Kumar, a versatile veterinarian with over past 30 years of experience, who would be supervising all the activities and monitoring all the activities of Indian Kennel League for the entire Jharkhand, Bihar and Chhattisgarh zone. It feels my immense pleasure to welcoming him to our club, and would request Dr. A. Kumar to please introduce himself and give us a brief introduction about the setup which he has introduced for catering to the needs of the dog lovers of Ranchi and Jharkhand as a whole. Thank you.